Hello and welcome to today's gardener's vlog from the Yorkshire Gardener. Today is the 31st of March 2018. Well, today's a nasty day in Sheffield today. I don't know what it's like where you are, but yeah, it's a bit too soggy to be working outdoors today. So I'm going to be concentrating on some planting on the inside today, where it's a bit warmer and drier. So yeah, stay tuned for today's gardening vlog for today. So today I'm going to be concentrating on potting my flowers up into seed trays. Hopefully all these will bring lots of bees and a bit of wildlife to my allotment, and obviously plenty of colour. So yeah, I don't usually grow flowers, but I'm going to start trying, give them a go and see how we get on. Well, that's all my flower seeds planted. Lots of trays. Got a lot of sunflowers this year, so that hopefully I'll be able to roast them and eat them. I've never tried them, but it's worth a shot. Time to get them all covered and watered. So that's the seeds covered up with cling film. Just need to buy a bit more cling film to cover up the rest. But yeah, been a productive day today. And these are all my other seeds. Some look like they're growing, but they're actually weeds, a lot of these. I've used compost that's been used before, so that's probably why I've got a lot of weeds growing in them. But you can see certain ones that are actually seeds growing. Turnip, plenty in there. So yeah, got plenty of seeds gonna be coming along. Hardest thing will be deciphering between the weeds and the actual fruit, but I've got an idea what they look like, so yeah, should be good. A quick look round outside, see how things are getting on. This was my lemon balm, but all the outside's dead, so I don't know if I should cut all that back. And as you can see, it's all starting to grow on the inside, so yeah, I might have to cut all that back. And this is my other herb, which smells lovely. Still got the smell. And some more herb there. I've got a couple of spaces to fit some more in. Look at the rhubarb. Ooh. I'm going to be picking my first lot soon. It's all nearly getting ready. All my raspberry canes, as you can see, starting to bud now and get leaves on them. So they're all coming along. This is my plum tree. This is all starting to bud up, which is a good sign. Spring is on the way. My cooking apple tree, again, buds growing on them. So yeah, and I've also got a couple more apple trees and a pear tree. I can't remember which one the pear tree is, so if you know which one it is, so that one or that one. And obviously all my plot all dug over ready. Gonna have to keep on top of the weeds. All my strawberry plants, look at all this new life growing in them. Hopefully I'll have even more strawberries than I did last year. They were only first year ones last year, so this will be second year. So yeah, and this is where I'm going to plant all my new strawberry plants. I'm going to get another bed. You can never have enough strawberries. And then down here again, what I did yesterday, all my garlic plants. That's where I planted my potato, and that's where I planted all my onions. And this heavy rain that we've had certainly really helped them along. And then obviously, let me just go through this. This frame will be coming down soon and make it a bit longer. My frog spawn. Get that leaf out. So yeah, I'm definitely going to keep watching these frogs spawn. Can't wait for them to become tadpoles and keep watching. I ain't got no pets, so I'm going to be watching these all the time. So yeah, thank you for watching today's Yorkshire Gardener vlog. Been a short day down here today, just an hour and a half, planting my seeds, flower seeds, and doing a bit of watering of my strawberry plants. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. It's forecast a better day, so I'm hoping to be outside tomorrow, clear my new strawberry bed ready for planting my 50 strawberry plants out, get them ready. So yeah, tomorrow's going to be another good day, hopefully, down on the allotment. Thank you for watching again. Please subscribe below. I'm up to 188 subscribers, so nearly at that 200, and you'll get a message straight away as soon as I upload vlogs. Feel free to like the video and also comment below if you've got any ideas or tips to give me. I'm always up for advice and tips. Thank you for watching.